G'day, Greg here from Custom Guns. I've had a few people asking about how barrel length affects a Magnum. We had a look at last time at a 308 and we shortened that up and had 150 feet per second reduction when we shortened up the barrel there, and the net result was it made for a handier rifle, didn't take too much velocity away. So I thought, well, what happens when we do the same to a Magnum? So what we have here today, I've got a Tikka. It's a T3 light. This one's in 300 Win Mag. We're going to be shooting the Winchester, standard old Winchester PowerPoints. This is their 150 grain. I mean, pretty standard fare in terms of ammo. Its stated velocity on the box for a full length barrel's 3,290 feet per second. I presume that's with a 24 or maybe a 26 inch barrel. The Tikka has a 24 inch barrel as standard. So what we're going to do is it has a DPT suppressor fitted. I'm going to shoot it with the suppressor on. There's no real need to worry about having the suppressor on or off for this test. We're going to have a look at how it shoots in terms of velocity at 24 inches, and then I'm going to take 4 inches off. I'm going to take it back to 20 inches and we'll redo the test. So I'll take it away, get it threaded, get it crowned, refit the suppressor, and we'll do the test again. We can compare the results between the two. So I've got 3 rounds loaded. I'm going to run them over the chronograph. I'll call out the results as I shoot them, and then we'll do that modification to the firearm and we'll test it again. All right. Three 108. Three 122. Three 144. So the stated velocity on the box seems a bit ambitious. We've got an average there of about 3120, 3130. We're going to give that a haircut now. I'll bring it back out to the range and we'll do it again. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, we're back. In the time it took me to get the barrel shortened, it's decided it wanted to rain. I've got a bit of a break in the weather, so hopefully we can get this thing chronographed. Anyway, you probably noticed that the firearm's decidedly shorter. We've taken 4 inches off. That piece of barrel steel, I weighed that just out of interest, and it weighed just about 125 grams, so a bit over 4 ounces. So we've certainly reduced the weight a little, brought the weight back, which makes it certainly a little handier to negotiate through heavy cover, and it's going to point nicely and that sort of thing, being a bit shorter. But how does it shoot? We'll take some shots now. I'm going to put it over the chronograph. I'll call out the shot same as before, and we'll just see how much difference we get. Same ammo, and see what our result is. So right. Looks like the chronograph's struggling to read that. .2943. The first one didn't read. Certainly worked okay on that second shot. Give it a third and see how we go. 2982.